Hey everyone, this is Robert.
And this is Jessica.
With Exploring the Local Life, and today we're coming to you from the Hampton-Denver Airport.
Yeah, because a blizzard came through on our first week of RVing here.
Yep. We're here not because of the snow, not because of the wind, but because I would not be able to get from work to where we are parked with the RV. We had warning of the weather coming through, and it was just the right move to make.
Yeah, and really we didn't even have that much warning. It was just sort of like all of a sudden it was a blizzard. It went from like, oh, there's going to be snow on like Wednesday and Thursday. Big deal, it's Denver. Hey, you have snow plows. They know what they're doing, right? It'll be fine.
Exactly. So the depth of snow wasn't really going to be an issue, but what has really been the issue is
the blizzard, the wind, the
wind.
My goodness, I've never seen anything like it. Little me from Florida, the furthest north I've ever been is Georgia. So
yes. So as the weather approached, we started getting, not only snow warnings but wind warnings. We were being told that there would be gusts of up to 70 knots, which is about 80 miles an hour. And yeah, near Colorado Springs and near the airport here, there have been 80-mile-an-hour wind gusts. And we couldn't really also take that risk with a travel trailer if we got hit by a direct crosswind.
Yeah, and as many of you know, we just rolled in on Saturday. So it's not like we have skirting. We don't have like a 100-gallon or 100-pound propane tank. We don't have any of that. It was just, we had a week to prepare to get here, a week to drive out here, and then here we are, and then blizzard.
Yeah, we know what you need to be able to winter RV. It's just we didn't have any of it.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
Yeah, and Robert's job has this awesome relocation package where you can get a few days in a hotel. So I was like, you know what? Why don't we go ahead and exercise that and stay in a hotel as those blizzard warnings and those wind warnings were coming in. I was like, I don't think I want to be here with the two kids and
and a cat
and accidentally run out of propane or freeze everything up and you're 30 minutes away
through a highway I can't get on.
Right.
They've actually closed parts of the interstate here, so it would be a matter of, well, let me tell you how quickly it developed. I got to work at 5 a.m. for training. At 10, between 5 and 10, it was light rain, and then at 10 it started to snow. But again, with the wind. 4 hours later, we're like, okay, get out of here, go to the hotel, and I almost couldn't get out of the parking lot.
And he's like, how many 1,000 feet?
Yeah, I mean, not even a quarter mile away, but even just walking out the back of the building to the truck, I almost go down. It's icy, it's slippery, and then I had to take 30 minutes to get the truck ready to go because the windshield was frozen over because all that rain turned to ice, and then trying to get out even in four-wheel drive was a challenge. Low, and we are barely getting out of here. nice and easy, but my goodness.
Yeah, so in a way, I'm really glad that we went ahead and did this. The kids are having a blast. Here we are in a hotel, nice and warm, and Robert can safely go to and from work, and we're somewhere safe, and we don't have to worry about that. And I think we're gonna go back tomorrow
afternoon.
Tomorrow afternoon.
We don't have to.
Right.
We're here for another night easily after tonight.
Yeah, but we have our cat actually is in the RV, so we left her with lots of food and lots of water.
Electric and propane.
Yeah, we left her with the heat running and all that stuff. So
I just hope she doesn't get into my beers.
Nice. I don't think she can open the fridge. I think your beers are safe.
I don't know about that.
So anyway, we just wanted to give you an idea of what this whole Colorado blizzard situation has been for us, and you know, next year we'll go through it. As we'll have all the stuff.
Next year will be a little bit different, yeah.
Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.